An empty contracted bulk tanker traveling on the MR1 from offloading at a customer site was headed to the transporter depot. A third-party HV failed to successfully maneuver a sharp corner in poor weather conditions. The trailer of the third-party vehicle skidded out into the oncoming traffic lane and collided with the contracted bulk vehicle traveling in the opposite direction. The Total Energies vehicle was forced off the road, and came to a stop in the vegetation on the verge of the road in an upright position.
On investigation, it was discovered that a gasket had ruptured on a flange of the ULP 95 inlet line to a tank, resulting in a loss of containment of 900 liters. The site responded in line with their emergency response plans with no deviation noted. During the meter calibration, the engineers and site management had identified that the pumps were not operating smoothly. The decision was taken to delay the handover of the tank until the pump maintenance had been completed. The immediate causes for the gasket failure at a flange was due to the inability to relieve pressure back to the tank. The maintenance valve located in the bund was closed, and it was this valve that stopped the relief of pressure in the line back to the tank.
In Zambia, Vivo Energy procures petroleum products from Tazama, a government agent responsible for sales of petroleum product to OMCs. Primary loading plan is from the Tazama depot in Solwezi, which is approximately 160 kilometers to Kalumbila mine and within a radius of 20 kilometers to Kansanshi mine. Vivo Energy Zambia is in partnership with two haulers owning a fleet of more than 200 trucks combined. For the purposes of the tender, 30 vehicles will be dedicated to FQM to ensure security of supply and quality of product delivered to the mine on time. On a daily basis, vehicles are subjected to an inspection using the Safe to Load checklist, which looks at vehicle and shell worthiness, electrical and mechanical check and statutory compliance. Each vehicle is equipped with an onboard computer to facilitate GPS tracking on predefined routes. The depot staff and a senior manager had just completed testing the firefighting system in the main tank farm and were on their way back to the office. While passing one of the tank bunds, they inspected the valve network at the stormwater catchment pit. The senior manager, who was standing at the top of the slope bund wall, went down the side of the embankment to join the three other employees. In the process, he lost balance and fell, injuring his knee. The employees did not make use of the stairway. Access to the bund exacerbated the distance of the access in relation to the catchment pit and thus saving time.